Hey everyone, welcome. For those of you who are new, welcome. Join the fam. And for those of you who are coming back, welcome back. Okay, I was not able to make a couple of videos and everything for the past, let's say about a month or so. I think it's like 2-3 weeks actually. We were packing, we did have a lot of stuff, and also not to mention a couple of things that we were going through. So, okay. Now getting to the video, what I will be talking about today is how to flip items on eBay, Mercari, OfferUp, Let Go, Craigslist, how to flip it and everything in a very easy way and to always make profit. One of the secrets that I have and everything for when I go and I get items to be able to flip on all these apps and different apps. I do post them on several different apps. So on whichever one it sells, then I go into the other ones and put that this item is no longer available. So yeah, my thing of where I go to get stuff is I go on Craigslist or I go like on OfferUp. I go on different websites and I try to check also where there's going to be garage sales. I also go to Savers. Savers is one of my main ones, and also garage sales. I do message them sometimes and I ask if they have plus size items for females. Men, it's like you do make profit, but you know, females are the ones that are constantly looking for stuff and looking for it on a deal and looking for nice stuff. Why? Because a lot of the times we know that females, it's like, you know, when you gain a little bit of weight or you're like a larger female, which is not a problem at all, it's not, but it's a lot more difficult finding stuff that look nice, fit you nice, and have a nice price. Am I right? Okay. So my secret is that I go to Savers, I go to the Salvation Army, I go to garage sales, I go to different places where I can buy stuff at a, you know, lower price. And then, but you also have to make sure, you have to check through it, make sure it doesn't have, you know, like dirty spots, make sure it doesn't have any holes, make sure that the threading is not coming undone. And then also the branding and also how it looks. A lot of people don't really like that whole like a bunch of like really colorful stuff. Just because you see something that's plus size, do not go and get that item because most likely it won't sell. Try to see what you see that's trending, what's styling, what looks nice, and go for those items. Also try not to spend like too much, because sometimes at Savers or these like secondhand places or some garage sales, sometimes even though you see it's a garage sale, you're gonna think, you know, like, yeah, everything's supposed to be at a deal, everything's supposed to be at a lower price, but some people do not follow that line and they go in and they charge an arm and a leg. They want to sell it like if it's brand new, even though they already used it, and that's not right. So okay, so then also you also want to be competition. For when you do post these items, you want to be competition. You don't you get them at a deal, yes, but you also have to do the math and everything for when you're gonna like ship it out, or if you're doing nearby pickup. If you're doing nearby pickup, that's fine, but you also have to look at the pricing. You don't want to go and shop for something that's way too expensive and then at the last minute you're losing out because of shipping. You didn't do the math on shipping. So sometimes the flat rate boxes are good, but right now during the pandemic it's just kind of like some of them are like really expensive. Like I know I was in North Minneapolis, basically like in a really bad area, but in order to send something from there just to like 3 counties over, they literally charged us $22 just for a small little box. We were just sending it to somebody, and it would have just been easier just driving the half an hour to go drop it off ourselves. So I'm pretty sure sending it farther, it would have been more. But okay, getting off topic now. Getting back to topic. Okay, so what you're gonna do is that do the math, try to, you know, basically go in and go bargain hunting. Also Salvation Army, I know they have like some locations where everything is just so mixed up. I know it gets kind of overwhelming sometimes, but you have to be patient. And you know, if you do go into this, it is going to take some work, like going through stuff, searching it, brand, sizing, the quality, basically, you know, like the threading, everything. Okay. And then another step also is basically when you start posting it, you also have to take in mind, okay, there's going to be eBay fees. Don't get overwhelmed by what I'm saying right now. Don't get overwhelmed. Don't think about like, oh my God, you know, it's just so much work, I'm going to like lose out regardless. No, you're actually not, because I am going to make a video next, right after this one, if you guys want to go and watch that one. But, okay, so let me see. I'm going to make a video next and everything. My next video, you guys are going to want to watch that one, because I'm going to show you guys how to make 100% profit off of whatever you get. No matter what you sell, any money you make, it's going to be, any money is just be profit, 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 profit. There's no losing out. So you're going to want to keep an eye out for that video. Okay, so getting back to this one, you have to also, you know, keep in mind that there's going to be eBay fees. There's going to be shipping fees. And basically what you're going to spend at, you know, at the store or whatever place you're going to go and buy your items. So do not get discouraged. Don't, because you can make really good money off of eBay. You can make really good money off of Craigslist. You can also go on free sections and everything, get stuff and sell those. Ask your friends, clean out your closet, find what you have, you know, but also flipping is one of the biggest ways and one of the easiest ways that you can actually make a living, making an income to where you could take it as far as you want. Like, let's say you have no money, get a job, work at least 2 weeks, get that money. Well, okay, if you have no bills, okay. Take some money, separate it, go out hunting for bargains and everything. So you want to get stuff, you want to get it at like the cheapest possible. You don't want to be paying no $10, $9, $15 for stuff. That right there, I do not recommend. So what I do recommend is go out, pay $2, $3, max like $5, okay? But they have to be in really good condition, good brand, in style, okay? Keep those in mind. Good condition, good brand, in style. Stuff that people are going to want to wear, stuff that you see people wearing that are trending, okay? So when you see that, you know that's going to be a hot thing and it's going to go quick. Also post as an auction. If you post as auction, but don't start too low, basically no matter what you start your auction at, make sure that you are going to be making some profit off of it. But also you don't want to go pricing too high, because you do want to be the competition. If you are the competition, people will come to you. They're going to come to you. They're going to be like, oh my God, this person has like all these great deals. This is my person. And guess what? Word of mouth. They're going to start telling their friends now. They're going to tell their coworkers. They're going to, you know, if they're on social media, they're going to go and tell, you know, their audience. They're going to be all like, hey, you know what? This person has like really good deals. They have, you know, like plus sizes that, you know, you don't find anywhere for really cheap, because a lot of these plus size items are actually pretty high priced. And I know they take advantage of the situation because it's so difficult to shop in style for plus size people. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions. I hope I answered your questions. I will be making more videos on eBay tips and tricks and how I do and how I post. But I do recommend you keep an eye out for my next video, because my next video I will be posting how to make 100% profit on any platform out of the things that you're posting, you're selling, you know, that you're going to want to post. Okay, so keep an eye out for that one. Remember, if you're not part of the fam, join the fam, okay? Have a good day. Bye.